Hi folks, in this video I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to create simple glass textures within Maya, so you can create a bit more transparency with your objects. This works well for glass, windows, elements on your weapons that you want to be slightly see-through, so things like scopes. Good for anything that you want to kind of have a tint, but have this kind of like glass or semi sort of transparent element to your textures. Very simple to do. Hypershade window, and you're going to create a new Blinn texture. So I'm just going to empty this work area here. So I'm just going to click this button to remove anything from the graph, and I'm going to hit Blinn. And Blinn's important because this allows you to change the transparency and reflection of your object. So on this, I'm going to change the color to a kind of lighter blue. Let's go with that for now. Hit done. And very simple, I'm going to bring the transparency up. So if we change this to look at something like a teapot, for example, we can sort of see what this is going to look like when we apply it to our object. Okay, and then if we change the translucence, you can see again that's going to have a little bit of effect on how frosty the glass is going to appear. We can tweak these settings, and then the shininess we can change as well. Oops. So we can change whether it's going to be nice and sort of polished or a little bit more matte. Okay, there we go. Very simple. And as always, you're just selecting your object, holding a right click, assign material selection, and you can see what it looks like within your scene. Now this is where you might want to do some tweaking. So you might want to change the colour to even more of a kind of lighter colour, depending on the style that you're going for. There's my colour window. Hit them, and again you can change the transparency. So let's say we want it a little bit more solid, we can do that as well. So very simple way to create see-through, transparent, reflective textures within Maya.